How to get free gift on Temu. So let's get started with it. Before that, don't forget to subscribe and like. So after opening your Temu account, just make sure you have connected your bank or you're registered properly in this account to receive gifts. Since it's not available on my reason, I've not really registered, but I'll tell you the process briefly on how you can receive gifts or claim gifts on Temu. So let's get started. So if you're a new user on Temu, when you open your homepage, you'll just get an option called receive gift for new users. Just tap on it and you'll get a free coupon gift at the very first day when you open the app. So another way to claim the gift is you see an option called on credits and free gifts on your home screen. If you don't get it, just go to you and under address, you'll see that option that says on credits and free gifts. And go ahead and click it. And there you get option of claiming the free gifts. There may be many options, but just tap on one of it and just receive the gift. After claiming your gifts that are coupons, you may just purchase any item. You may just purchase some of the given items that are free for free. So you may just pick it and add it to your cart, and you won't get any charge for it. And that way you can get free gift on Temu. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope this video was helpful.